Hello guys, salut tout le monde, 안녕하세요. So, welcome to my channel, I'm KP.
Just do it!
I am not really sure if this is gonna be my first YouTube video that I posted on this channel, but I think it's gonna be. Let's see. So, it's my first video. I am going to do an unboxing of my latest purchase last week, which is related to my YouTube channel, my new YouTube channel. So I just bought this camera last week and I'm just following my guts to buy it. No, not really, I'm not that kind of person. So I did look for reviews by YouTubers about different types of cameras they use for vlogging. I did watch the vlogs done using this camera and also on other cameras in order to have an outcome of the videos, the quality. So I'm sure many of you don't really know me, but yeah, I'm into photographies. I've been carrying Sony Alpha 7 with me. I took random photos. I like taking portrait and also the landscape. Okay. So I like also videography. I took videos using my iPhone XS Max. I did some editing using a simple applications. I did some posts of my videos into social media, but not YouTube. Since I have already a Sony brand for my photography camera, so I did to myself, why not this time for my videos I try using another brand of camera, which is this camera Canon. So yeah, without further ado, enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? So this is the item that I bought since last week. Let's open it, let's unbox it.
2 hours later.
I'm gonna use this. So I bought this camera from Amazon because I couldn't find it from the official website. The moment I wanted to buy it, it was out of stock. So I think it's better for me to buy it from Amazon. It's gonna be faster. So this is it. My god, my god. PowerShot G7X Mark III. My god. Damn, it's so beautiful. 4K. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So this is it. So I bought I think there are two colors, the silver one I think and the black one, and I just chose the black one because I don't know, I think it's easier to take care of the black item, I think. Okay, let's open it. Okay, let's open it.
So it comes with a manual, I think. Finished camera. And I think I don't know what it is. Oh, I think this is the manual. It comes with a camera. Oh, I never read the manual before. And in the inside, what do we have? The battery. And then the camera. What else? And the charger kit, I think. So I'm gonna open this first. Oh my god, it's so damn cool. I've never thought that I would buy a camera for vlogging, but here I am. Look at this beauty. So I think this is the part where you put with the tripod with. This is the battery part. And this is where you put the jack for the microphone. This one I'm not sure. Oh, okay. So this one is for the flash. So we just pull this button down and voila. And from the upside, Wi-Fi power G-Shot G7X Mark III on off button. This one's not sure. Maybe it's for the zoom button. This one for the settings. And here we have some buttons to play for the playback menu. I think for to start recording. And this is the view from the front. This is the front view. Okay, isn't it beautiful? Oh my god. G7X here for the G7X Mark II. The G7X label is upside here. Canon zoom lens 4.2. Oh my god. And one reason why I think this is a crucial the crucial reason why I bought this camera instead of Sony. How does it call? Sony.
Several days later.
Yeah, I put the picture here. So because I like when we can flip the screen upside down here instead of pull it towards here. You get what I mean? I think it's more space saving, and I don't know, I just prefer it to be like this. Don't ask me further, okay? This is my opinion, and only my opinion counts.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put the battery in and try it. I think I need a spare battery, right? But I'll just buy it later. So spin. how to press OK. Or you can apply effects of this thing. Oh, okay. Oh my god, the battery, seriously? I just opened it. Yeah, okay. This is the... So this one to zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Hi. Yeah, I think it's not bad. It's really cool. I will try to put an SD card here and see how this goes. So let's try to put memory card here. Talking about this, oh seriously. Putain, mais tu te fous de ma gueule, quoi. Okay.
So, what do you guys think of my new camera? You can share your opinion by commenting down below. I think that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, hit the thumbs up, comment down below. Donc c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. See you in the next video. Bye bye.